Hey everybody, this is Dr. Coppola. I thought I would take just a moment to share with you what my kid and I have been doing the last few minutes. He has been driving me nuts wanting to make Science Mom slime. So what we've done is, let's see, I guess I can turn it around now. Let's see, we took some cheap saline solution. We took some school glue. And we took some food coloring. And we took some, what was the other thing we added, Simeon?
Water.
Water. Okay, so this is my son, Simeon.
So.
All right, and so Simeon and I, we were talking about how to make this stuff, and here is the stuff. As you're looking at that, and you can see this stretches out nicely. It turns out, Simeon, that this bottle that we were using had how many ounces?
4 ounces.
4 ounces of glue. And how much water did we need?
2 ounces, so we just made it half full.
Okay, so once we emptied the glue, Simeon figured out that we could do half of a bottle of water in there. So a little bit of fractions work. Same thing with, there was one more ingredient that we forgot about.
Yeah.
We had a little bit of Kroger baking soda that we added. And so we added how much baking soda?
1/2 cup of 1 teaspoon.
So we added 1/2 of a, not teaspoon,
Tablespoon.
tablespoon. So we added 1/2 of a tablespoon. And that was important because we only had that scoop and we used the saline solution, and we were supposed to put how much saline solution in?
2.
Two of these, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 2 half tablespoons is how much?
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. Okay. So we were able to get a little bit of fractions work in here as we're doing our science. And as you can see, we have this wonderful stuff here. And let's see, Simeon, do you want to show some of the tricks that you can do with it?
Okay, so first, it's really bouncy. But I'm just going to take a small pot.
Okay. Okay, so it's very bouncy.
Then you can stretch it out, not like this, but like spreading it out. It's kind of odd. Yeah.
Okay. So you're trying to do the window thing?
Yeah, that.
Yeah, so you can stretch it out and make for a really thin little window thing. Like that, and you can of course stretch it out, and eventually it breaks.
Yeah.
All right,
but still, it's pretty far.
But you want to show them the bowl trick? I thought that was pretty neat.
Oh yeah.
So we put this down in the bowl.
Then you flatten it out. Don't call those farting noises.
Don't. Why not?
Cause it's inappropriate.
No, it's inappropriate. Okay, good. Glad we got that clear, right, Emily? Mm-hmm. Next.
Who's Emily?
Emily's one of my students. She knows who she is.
Oh, okay.
My afternoon section remembers when we made all the sound stuff. Yeah. You all had a lot of fun using some putty stuff like this to make some noises that definitely were inappropriate. But in a good way.
How inappropriate noises? How can they be in a good way? I'm just wondering that. Okay.
I don't know, class. You'll have to send your answers in. Maybe you can help him understand. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to try this. Maybe this time it'll work again.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe I flattened it out too much.
Might have flattened it out too much. It was really neat. We got it so that some of the goop would come down. It was like little ripples of goop coming down. It was really kind of fascinating.
Wait.
It's all right. So now you've seen my messy hair.
Wait.
You've seen my crazy son. Oh, let's see. One more time. He's going to try this.
Yeah, it's going to work.
Is it going to work this time? You think so?
100%.
100%. So we saw this on a Science Moms video.
It's kind of creepy.
It's really interesting because they've started this little series. They're calling it Quarantine. But the spelling of it was kind of threw me off as to what was going on. Okay, I don't know. It's coming down. It's really kind of slow, but it's coming. Oh, there's So I can't tell if that's a reflection or a shadow or what's going on there. So, oh, there it's coming. I can see it over here. You see it coming down now? Oh, there goes the goop ever so slowly.
And then over here, you can see this shiny droplet right there.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if you can really see all that. Here it comes down like that.
But the first time it was like really, really slow and like it was like a big knob. Now it looks like a waterfall.
Yeah, it does go kind of like a waterfall. See it coming down? Cool.
No, let me have it. Show it from here.
Okay. Keep
You can
showing
see that
anything
it's...
else. There we go. All right. So lots of fun. If you've got a little bit of extra glue and have a few moments, you can play with polymers, make your own slime, and have a good time.
Look at this.
Catch you all later.